15 Side Hustles to Start Today. Today, there are more options than ever to make a quick income, and many of them may lead to great jobs or enterprises. First, identify your particular abilities, then try to monetize them on the side. Do you write well, drive, code, cook, or use Photoshop? 1. Do weird jobs. Check out Airtasker, a website that connects people with skills to those who need assistance around the home. You could easily manage a whole company with just this one tool. 2. Sell on eBay. One fantastic method to earn additional money is selling items you no longer desire. There are other options as well, such as Gumtree. 3. Provide virtual assistance. If you excel at office work and assisting others, why not work as a virtual assistant? Even if you work from home, you may help others. 4. Sell on Etsy. If you are talented at crafts and producing original items, why not try to sell them? 5. Start driving for Uber. Uber and other ride-sharing services like Lyft are excellent methods to earn additional money while still managing to fit your employment or academic schedule. 6. Lease out your spare room. Why not use Airbnb to rent out the space by the day and earn some extra money rather than seeking a long-term roommate? 7. Advertise your services on FIVERR. Do you have any experience in graphic or web design? 8. Zoom and Skype mentor. We've all witnessed the expansion of video conferencing in recent years, and now it's a brilliant idea to provide instruction online. 9. Start a blog. A blog may be used to generate side income if you write a lot. Although blogging is a slower way to gain money, it is worthwhile. 10. Teach a course. You may complete a course and sell it on a website like Udemy if you're skilled at something. 11. Begin a podcast. People claim that podcasting is the new blogging, and blogging is a terrific method to become well known online if you have a lot of knowledge about a particular subject. 12. Train as a chef. Do you have a working knowledge of the kitchen? 13. Discover dog walking. Dog walking is a profession that will always be in demand and has long been a preferred side hustle. Why not create flyers advertising your services and place them in local residents' mailboxes? 14. Become a nanny. This is an excellent company to start because several websites assist parents in finding nannies and babysitters. 15. Clean houses. Wrapping it up. Side hustle jobs are a great way to make some extra money on the side, while also allowing you to explore different avenues and gain valuable experience. With a little bit of research and dedication, you can find the right side hustle job that fits your lifestyle and provides an opportunity to make money on the side.